breaking news live from Sumatra. Uncountable grief, more than 1,000 lives lost in Sumatra floods. Grave chased by flash flood and landslide in Sumatra continue to deepen. More than 1,000 lives have been lost, leaving grieving families behind and hundreds of people still missing. The National Disaster Management Agency recorded that the death toll has reached 1,006 people across 3 provinces: Aceh, North Sumatra, and West Sumatra, as of Saturday, December 13, 2025. Abdul Muhari said that change in the data occurred following further verification process. In Aceh Province, the number of fatalities increased from 411 to 415 people. Meanwhile, in North Sumatra, the death toll rose from 343 to 349 people. In West Sumatra, the number increased from 241 to 242 people. In addition to loss of life, the flash floods and landslide caused extensive damage of infrastructure and public facilities. BNPB recorded that at least 1,200 public facilities were damaged, with varying levels of destruction severe. The damage includes 581 educational facilities, 434 houses of worship, 219 health facilities, 290 government offices, and 145 damaged bridges. The major bridges and roads show several areas to become temporarily isolated, complicating evacuation efforts and the distribution of aid. On the other hand, assistance from the central government continues to be delivered to affected areas. The Ministry of Women's Empowerment and Child Protection, together with the Ministry of Marine Affairs and Fisheries, sent 51.9 tons of logistical aid for disaster victims in Sumatra. The aid was dispatched from Muara Baru Port, North Jakarta on Saturday, and focused on meeting the needs of women and children in North Sumatra, West Sumatra, and Aceh. Thank you.